What's up, guys? This episode, we're talking about everything that's wrong with my 1995 Honda Civic EX, EG, EJ, whatever you guys want to call it. But this turd right here is my new prized possession. So this thing is in terrible shape. So we're down to 3 colors now. The front end is no longer crashed. It lines up like total crap though, but it's 3 colors, not terrible. It's rusted. It has a lot of miles. It smokes, and it's mine. So throughout this build, it's been kind of interesting. It's the first time that we've done this. I mean, we've fixed cars before, I guess, like exactly what happened with my last Civic, as you guys saw earlier in the series. But this one was different because this one was actually like in a pretty bad accident, or more major accident than the last one I had. But it's been nothing but a learning experience. So, you know, aftermarket, I always knew it was total crap quality. I never doubted that it wasn't. So, you know, I learned that pay the extra money and don't get desperate. If this video would have been postponed another week or two, it wouldn't have been that big of a deal. Just to know that, you know, we found the right thing. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's some parts here for the car. Another bumper and another OEM RAS support. So I do have plans of fixing this in the future. I don't know how I'm gonna fix it, but or when I'm gonna fix it, but I do have plans of it. The current thing that we're going through right now is that I don't know what way to go with this, but it was cool. It was cool finding a stock car that was just in the poor state. It was a little messed up, and then just taking it for what it was and just beating it around. So this car owes me nothing anymore. I think the abuse it's gotten the last 7 months has been pretty incredible, and it's still kicking. This banner here is from a future video you guys will see, and I thought the engine was knocking, and it turned out it's not knocking. I did blow coolant hose, so the car is currently non-running, but I did drive it home 15 minutes or a little more than that after the coolant hose broke, because I needed to get home. So yeah, I mean, it's turned on today, didn't skip a beat, it didn't overheat, didn't blow white smoke. So I think we fixed the coolant hose, put coolant in the system, and I think we'll be all right. I think this car will just keep on kicking. So I'm happy to hear that. I will put thicker oil just in case it was like a slight bottom end knock, and I just don't want to get them worse. So with that being said, let's get to the nitty gritty. We bought this car for $500, and I'm not gonna include the tow. I'll include the tow. It was $65 from you all to get the trailer to pick this thing up. Curvis went with me, and yeah, we came home. I got the fender and the rat support for, I believe it was $100. The rat support on the car, I believe, was $80. So say 50 for the fender, 80 for the rat support, and the hood and the bumper were donated from a car you guys will see pretty soon. The headlights, I think that cost me another $50 for the whole set. So that's that's 150, 180 bucks maybe. And that's the full size radiator was from another car. So realistically, this car, we're into it. 650 bucks. So not bad at all. Or 680 bucks actually. So the wheels are from another car you guys will see also soon. The radiator was from a car I parted out last year, so that was free. The bushings was with the car, for the shifter, free. Suspension was from a car I parted out, free. So for $680 for this car to be as strong as it is, and much as big as a hunk of crap as it is, it's proven that they put up, they don't give up at all. So I'm glad that I still have this car. I hope that next time we're working on this car, I have more of a definitive plan with it. It's been nice working on this car. It's been cool. It's been a learning experience. It's been fun. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. This thing's gonna go away for at least a couple days. Probably won't see this car again in the video till the end of the month, and after that, I don't know, because we're not that far ahead. But with that being said, I definitely alluded to there's a lot of new things coming to you guys, and we have a big surprise coming next video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, make sure your notification bells turn on, because we are releasing a new video every single day for the month of June. So make sure you're alert and you don't miss one. Next video, you guys are gonna love it. See you guys in the next one.